Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to enroll TagMango user on Gravity Form submission. So here I am an online educator. I'm providing exclusive content for digital courses to all the users. And here I'm managing all the users as well as the content of the courses with the help of TagMango. For taking the registrations in these courses, I have created a special contact and registration form with the help of Gravity Forms, and I have already attached it on my website. So my objective is that every time a new form submission will be made by a new student or a lead, automatically that person should be enrolled as a user in TagMango for a particular course. To automate this entire process, we will have to set up the connection between Gravity Forms and TagMango, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I am going to show you step by step that how we can automatically enroll user in TagMango whenever Gravity Form will be submitted. So here I am an online educator providing exclusive content of different courses digitally with the help of TagMango to all the users. For taking the registrations for these courses, I am using Gravity Form on my website, and I want that every time a new form will be submitted for the registration of the course by a new student, automatically that student or a person should be added as a user in TagMango. To automate the entire process, we will have to build the connection between Gravity Forms and TagMango, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding and any programming skills. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, today we are going to build the connection between Gravity Forms and TagMango. So let's get started quickly. Currently, we are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we'll find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box has appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Enroll TagMango user on Gravity Form submission. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to set up currently is related to learning management. So automations for learning management will be my folder. And then we are going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us, which contains two extremely important windows. We have trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose I want that every time I'm going to receive a new form submission for the course registration in Gravity Forms, automatically the person who has submitted the form should be added or enrolled as a user in TagMango. For that, I'm going to take Gravity Forms in trigger and TagMango in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these two applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the form will be submitted in Gravity Forms, then only the user will be enrolled in TagMango, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application as Gravity Forms, as we want that when the form will be submitted in Gravity Forms, with the response of that form submission, our workflow should start every time. So Gravity form will be our trigger application over here. Then we have to select the trigger event. On the happening of which event in Gravity forms you want to capture the response. So I want that when a new response will be captured in Gravity forms, that means when a new form will be submitted, then the response of that form should be captured in Pabbly Connect, and with that response our workflow should start instantly. So you can see we have a webhook URL and also we have some instructions given over here. So we have to follow the given instructions step by step carefully to insert the webhook URL inside our Gravity Forms account. As we will do that, then whenever the form will be submitted, automatically the response will be captured every time inside Pabbly Connect. So let's copy the webhook URL and then I'm going to show you each and every step. So first of all, to access Gravity Forms, because it is the plugin of WordPress, you have to go towards your WordPress site. You have to log in and you have to install the plugin Gravity Forms. When it will be activated, then you have to create your form by adding the fields over here like this. Once the form is created, you have to save it and then you have to connect the form. So I'm going to first of all take you towards all forms section of my Gravity Forms account, and these are all the forms I have. So I'm going to take you towards the course registration form. Okay, you have to select the specific form like this and we'll click on edit over here. So now these are all the fields I have in my form: name, phone number, email, just these details in order to take the registration. And now I'm going to take you towards settings. After coming on form settings in Gravity Forms, here you will have to go towards webhooks at last. Okay, after coming on webhooks, here we have the webhook which is already existing. So we have to click on this add new webhook button and then we have to provide a name to the webhook. It is already given as a default, so I'm going to keep it same, but you can change the name according to the purpose of this connection. Then in the request URL field, you just have to paste the webhook URL which you have copied from Pabbly Connect. After doing this, then here request method will be post, request format will be JSON. Here we have some other details. Directly we'll click on save settings. And this means that our webhook is set up successfully. So the connection between Gravity Forms, the course registration form and Pabbly Connect is built. So now we'll click on preview button to preview the form so that we can submit it. As in Pabbly Connect, it is showing waiting for webhook response. So when we will submit this form, then the response of the form is going to be captured in Pabbly Connect because the form and Pabbly Connect is already connected. So let's start with the name. Let's say the name of the user, the person who wants to take the registration in the course is new, and let's say the last name is student, new student. Let's say the email of this new student is newstudent9192@pablitudes.com, and here it is asking us to confirm the email. So I'm going to simply copy and paste the exact email over here as well, and now I'm going to enter the phone number of the student. Okay, I'm going to submit the form. As soon as we have submitted the form, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. For a few seconds, let's wait so that the response could be captured. And here you can see that the response is immediately received, and that too automatically. We have received all the details in the response, so this means our connection between Gravity Forms and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. Here we have the phone number of the student, we have the email address, we have the status that is active, we have their name as well, new student, and all the details, the date and time at which the form is submitted. This means our connection between Gravity Forms and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now every time the form will be submitted by the student from my website, automatically the details of that student are going to be captured in Pabbly Connect. So after setting up the connection between Gravity Forms and Pabbly Connect, our objective is to create a user in Tag Mango. So for that, now we have to build the connection between Tag Mango and Pabbly Connect. Tag Mango is an amazing platform which helps us to provide exclusive content to our users, specifically with the help of mangoes over here. So here I'm managing all my users of the courses as well as each of the content and the course with the help of Tag Mango, and I'm going to enroll the students. So I'm going to first of all take you towards mangoes over here. So mangoes means the content or the course in which we want to enroll the students or the users. So these are all the mangoes I have. I am setting up this connection currently for the PHP course for which I am taking the registrations through Gravity Forms. So this is the basics of PHP course for which I want to enroll the students. So now I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. We will go towards action step and we will select Tag Mango as our action application to build the connection. Now, after selecting the action application, what we want to create a user, enroll a user. So migrate user will be our action event over here. Now let's click on connect. For building the connection, we have two options. For building the connection between Tag Mango and Pabbly Connect, here we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. But I'm going to show you that how you have to build a new connection. So you can see I'm already logged into my Tag Mango account. We have to provide an API key over here. To get this API key, you have to log into Tag Mango and you have to go towards automations and you have to follow the given instructions to get the key. So I'm going to show you each and every step. I will first of all take you towards Tag Mango. We'll go towards the dashboard and over here we'll go towards automation. Then we'll go towards platform integrations, and here we have the Pabbly API key, which we have to copy and we have to paste it over here. As we have done that, now let's click on save. And with this, the connection between TagMango and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So we have to enter the details in these fields now to create a user. First of all, let's start with the name. So here we have to enroll the student and we have to enter the name of that student to enroll it. And you know, we have received all the details of the student already in our earlier response: name, email, phone number, etc. So one by one, we will map the data over here instead of entering the data manually. So one by one, we will enter the details and we will just insert the details from the previous step only. So we have first name with a space, we will map the last name as well. So when we have mapped this name, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So every time a new form will be submitted by a new student in Gravity Forms, automatically this name over here in this field is going to replace with a new name of that new person, that new student. And in this way, not only the name, but we are going to map all of the details as well to automate the entire process. Now we'll map the phone number. So here we have the phone number of the student. Then we'll map the email address as well. Mango ID. Program you want to enroll the person. So I'm going to take you towards my TagMango account for this once again. We will go towards the Mango section. And here, as I told you, these are all the Mangos we have, but I want to enroll the students for PHP course, Basics of PHP. And here we have the Mango ID for that same. So I'm going to simply copy the Mango ID and I'm going to paste it over here. Then we have to provide the coupon. We cannot enroll the student without any coupon over here. So we'll have to provide the coupon code. So when we will create the content, when we will create the program, such as I have created the core programming course over here, I also need to create the coupon so that we can use the coupons to enroll the students. Where you are going to find the coupons, so for that you have to go towards marketing, and here you have to go towards coupons. And this is the coupon I have created for Basics of PHP. As you can see, you can create a coupon by clicking on this create coupon button, and I'm going to simply copy the coupon code and we'll paste it over here. Now we'll click on save and send test request button quickly. And here you can see that we have received the response. In the response, we have received all the details. So quickly, I'm going to take you towards my TagMango account because a new student is created over there. So I'm going to take you towards TagMango. You'll go towards the customers section. And yes, here we can see that new student is successfully added with the same details for Basics of PHP course. And here we have the same email and the phone number as well. This means our connection between Gravity Forms and TagMango is absolutely successful. And now every time the form will be submitted by a user, by a client, automatically the person will be enrolled as a user in TagMango for the particular course. So I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.